boy's only friend was his old refrigerator, but as the boy grew up, the fridge just kept getting older. One day the boy grabs a cold soda, but as soon as he pulled the bottle out, the fridge door wouldn't close properly. He pushed it a few times. Suddenly, the handle broke into pieces and fell on the floor. The fridge was terrified. He feared he'd be thrown out. Then the boy was going to the supermarket. Before he left the fridge, saw the flyer in the boy's hand. It was a brand new refrigerator. The old fridge thought that he was going to be replaced soon. Heartbroken, he decided to leave. He unplugged himself, quietly opened the front door, and walked away. Out on the street, he walked past an electronics store. Rows of shiny new fridges sat behind the glass. They looked at him and despised him for being outdated. Meanwhile, his door suddenly broke apart. Overcome with shame, the fridge quickly fled away. Soon after, the boy returned from shopping, but the moment he walked in, he found out that his beloved fridge was gone. He broke down and cried. The boy rushed out in search of the fridge. Along the way, he found a photograph the fridge had dropped. He stopped to ask the shiny new refrigerators if they had seen his friend, but they just ignored. Luckily, a kind-hearted rice cooker sitting nearby quietly told the little boy the old fridge, meanwhile, had made his way to a scrapyard. He sat alone on a rusted swing, eyes filled with sorrow. He pulled out the photo with his owner, took one last look and tossed it away. But just then, a familiar voice called out behind him. The boy had caught the photo and gently put it back onto the fridge. He then asked why he ran away. The fridge pointed to the flyer sticking out of the boy's pocket, then tapped the page showing the new refrigerator. The boy finally understood it had all been a big misunderstanding. He turned the flyer over, and on the back was an order confirmation for a brand new handle, not a new fridge. Smiling, he gently installed the shiny new handle for the fridge.